We are focusing on DR Horton floor plans and neighborhoods. Hi, I am Jordan Breasseale with Live Love Brunswick. If you want to know everything about North Carolina beach living, then subscribe. Tap the bell below for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market in Brunswick County.
Y'all, this is the very popular Aria plan by DR Horton in Stanbury Creek. And it is listed at $288,000, and it's 5 minutes from the beach, you guys. I love the Aria plan. Let's go see what the inside of this one looks like in Stanbury Creek at 832 Shipley. The neighborhood. Let's go take a look inside.
Let me know your favorite DR Horton floor plan in the comments below. If you're curious about any other floor plan, I'll link my DR Horton floor plan playlist above. If you don't see the one that you are curious about, shoot me a text, leave a comment below, and I will go check it out.
Inside the Aria in Stanbury Creek by DR Horton, they are doing these cute craftsman style doors in the front. I love it. I love this door with the light coming in, yet there's privacy. I love the wide entryway in the Aria plan. You come in and then you have your secondary bathroom and bedrooms here off the front of the house. And then go down the hall to laundry, coat closet, and garage entry. And then you come in here to this awesome living space. So we're in Stanbury Creek. The standard finishes for this phase of homes in Stanbury Creek are the laminate countertops and the rolled vinyl floors, which I happen to like. In the new phase, they're going to be doing granite countertops and the luxury vinyl plank and the hardware on the cabinets. So loving this living room space for sure. The model home in this neighborhood is the Arya. So if you wanted to see the furniture arrangement in this plan, you could certainly see that in the staged model up in front of the neighborhood.
There are sales centers in these DR Horton neighborhoods that you can just swing by and the sales representative will be happy to help you. They can answer all of your questions, but word of advice, you do not save any money not having a realtor represent you. So when you go into this sales center, you make sure to tell them that you saw my video, Jordan Breasseale. I would love to represent you and have your interest at heart.
So check out this dining room space. I love this floor plan. I love the layout. And then you have the sliding glass door off to the covered porch that can be easily screened. This is the side of Shipley that backs up to the neighboring neighborhood. It's fully sodded. Back inside. Love it. Let's take a look at the kitchen. Got a nice size island. whirlpool appliances. Now, this dishwasher is a little bit of an upgrade from the dishwashers that I saw in some of the other smaller plans. Lots of cabinet space. And you have a great size pantry. There's even some room here for a piece of furniture, or you could do like a beverage bar or something in that area. That would be cute. I love this space. This is one of my favorite plans. Look how wide the hallway is in this plan. Isn't that awesome? And you have a nice primary suite here. Nice and bright. Again, the homes come with blinds. Great size closet. And you even have some shelving over here in the closet. And then you have a good sized bathroom. Double sink vanity. Walk-in shower. Extra storage in here. And then you have your water closet over here. Back out here. Let's go back down the hallway. And if we go to our right, we have the laundry. It's not a laundry closet, it's a laundry room, which I always love. And then plenty of storage. They'll install shelving in here. That'd be like a coat closet, I believe, or maybe not. Maybe that's just storage. And then you have your 2-car garage, access to the attic up there, and you do have your garage door openers installed. Your water heater lives over here. The garage isn't finished, but that's easily painted. Or the garage is finished, it's not painted, I should say. So back out here to this wide hallway. I love too how they sort of did this opening there instead of just making it straightforward. Okay, so you've got your secondary bath and closet there. This is a good sized bathroom for guests, and it also has a storage, a little linen closet back here, which I always miss because the door blocks it, but that's a nice touch to have that added storage. So that's good. You also have this closet out here that can be used as a coat closet. And your third bedroom. I like the size of the secondary bedrooms in this floor plan too. I like that the primary suite is tucked away as well. So cute. I love the Aria. Let me know what you think. What is your favorite floor plan by DR Horton? If you haven't watched my other videos, click on the playlist for DR Horton floor plans or click on your favorite DR Horton neighborhood in the area and you'll get to see a preview of the floor plans they're offering, the finishes, and all that good stuff. Or, of course, you can just call me and we can chat about it.
I am Jordan Breasseale with Live Love Brunswick. Whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. I would love to help you out. Until next time.